Welcome, judges. This is our device, the HMS or the Health Monitoring System Watch. My name is Merab. My role in this group is a front end developer, and my passion or hobby is to grow up to be a game developer one day.
My name is Percy. I'm more interested in the management field, so my passion is to become a project manager.
Hi, my name is Xavier. I also have the role of being a front-end programmer in this project, and I would like to become an app developer in the future. Our stakeholders are customers, elders who live alone who have decided to accept the opportunity from a nearby hospital to purchase the HMS watch. The charge would cost them $119.99. Once they have purchased the watch, the front-end desk will help them set up the watch and put in their information in case of emergencies. The watch was created to help keep track of blood pressure and heart rate of the person using this product. It will notify them if their BPS or their systolic pressure is potentially life-threatening. Once it hits a certain level of dangerousness, the watch will contact the nearest hospital with the location of the person that is being tracked on their watch. Features such as tracking heart rate, tracking blood pressure, tracking the location of the person in case something happens. And once they're in the emergency room, nurses will have access to the information from their watch.
As you can see in this slide, we have two demos from our code. In the first demo or in the first scenario, you can see the patient's name, age, the birth date, and their gender, and when the date and time of when the life-threatening event occurred. So you can see that the blood pressure and both the heart rate are normal, but in scenario two, you can see uh, everything is the same. The date and the date you can see the date and the time of when the event occurred, and you can see blood pressure is normal, but if there's any abnormalities found, you can there will be an alert popped up that would say please stay calm, either your heart rate is high or low, and that the ambulance are on the way. And this goes for blood pressure as well, if it's over a certain number or lower than a certain number. And our user story that we thought of is that as another, they want their health to be monitored in case of a life-threatening event occurring, and they do not want to feel stressed about or feel that they have the need to be saved by someone. Uh, and having this watch will take that stress and worry away uh, from the user, and the friends and families around them. And this watch will also bring a lot of joy in life into others, for others, and they can live more freely and stress-free. And as you can see in this UML diagram, we have five classes: two enums, birthday and gender, test device, features, and device. Test device is obviously where we test our a watch. Features are where it calculates both the heart rate and blood pressure, and the features inherits the attributes from device. And you can see that in device, name is as a string, age is as an int, and birthday and gender are both as enums. And you can see that device inherits from both the birthday enum and the gender enum.
The marketing scheme includes who all can buy our product. So our customers, mostly who are elders who live alone, will have the access to purchase the watch and will be able to use it. So our next step would include adding more features and to make it more creative. So we learn how to create a new app that includes a lot of planning and going into the project. Now coming to the conclusion, so our most difficult challenge was communication. So we found it difficult to work virtually together. As being an inexperienced programmer, we came across few errors that took a while to fix. So we overcame this by using different softwares to communicate, and we did some research, but most importantly, we played around with the code in order to get the results we wanted. So our greatest innovation is to work in different area of coding, gaining a bit of experience and learning many of the real world tasks which are used when creating an app. So, our next step would be to gain the experience and knowledge we had in this hackathon and use it in our studies and to keep improving until the next event. Thank you.